Okay, guys, I had this Boxwood Wreath laying around. You can get them pretty much at any craft store, Home Goods, Marshalls, what have you. And I found these lemons at the Dollar Tree. Now, there's my glue gun everybody's asking me about. It says high temperature. And I'm just gluing the lemons, 3 of them, in almost like a triangular shape on my circle. And I grabbed 2 ribbons that I felt complemented each other. One is more of a sheer lime and one's more plaited lime. Now here I'm going to try to show you a bow slower. And basically it's putting a loop to the left, a loop to the right, a loop to the left, a loop to the right. And guys, you're just going to continue this till you have the size bow that you want. Obviously, the more loops, the fuller it's going to be. And while you're doing this process, you want to pinch the center until you're complete. I believe in this particular bow, I did 8 loops. And again, I have them doubled up, the ribbon doubled on top of each other. And you're going to want a piece of floral wire nearby. So when you're done with your loops, you're going to grab your floral wire and twist it around the center to hold everything together. The biggest tip I can give you is to grab ribbon that has wire edges. It makes it so much easier to reform once you're done creating your bow and fluffing it up. And now I'm just separating the 2 different fabrics from each other, and it's making my bow even fuller because now my 8 loops went to 16, if that makes any sense. And then you're just going to snip the edges and make them clean cut, however short you want your tails or however long. There's no rule of thumb. That's basically what I did. And I had excess floral wire in the back of this bow that I used to tack to my wreath. The best way to get good at bows is just doing it. So I took some lamb's ear that I had also sitting around. You can pretty much get these at Hobby Lobby. And I took clippings of the leaves off, little sections, and I put them underneath my lemons on either side. All of this I used my glue gun. I grabbed this gather wood hanger from Hobby Lobby. It did say $6.99. Make sure you wait for the 50% off. And then I just cut the hanger, the jute string that it was hung by, in the center, and took that and wrapped it on either side of my wreath. And that's pretty much it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, go check us out on YouTube, Chalk It Up Fancy, and thank you.